Question 37b, Information transfer. You can see here pie chart they given. By using the pie chart information, you have to write paragraph. And this is by using the table information, you have to write paragraph. By using flow chart, you have to write paragraph. And then last one is by using bar graph, you can write meaningful paragraph by using the information given in the bar graph. Hmm. Question 37b, Information transfer. First question, study the following pie chart about representing portion of wage earners engaged in various types of occupations in a city. Write a meaningful paragraph based on the information in it. Okay, first see this pie chart. I think it is not visible. Percentages are not visible, and occupations are also not visible. So don't worry. Now we are going to read a paragraph, then you will know the percentages clearly. Hmm. Pie chart shows the distribution of wage earners engaged in various occupations in a city. Commerce forms the largest share with 32%, indicating that a significant portion of the working population is involved in business and trade activities. The manufacturing sector comes next with 24%, showing its importance in providing employment. Other occupations account for 16%, covering different small scale or specialized jobs. Transportation employs 12% of wage earners, highlighting the need for mobility and logistics services in the city. Professionals make up 9%, representing careers such as teaching, engineering, or medical services. Personal service is the smallest category with 7%, consisting of workers engaged in household or individual services. Overall, the chart reveals that commerce and manufacturing dominate the employment structure, while professional and personal services form a smaller share of the workspace. This variety of occupations shows a balanced economic structure within the city. Like this, you have to write meaningful paragraph. Second question. This is not bar graph. Sorry, here it is bar graph, but by using the table information given below shows the marks scored by 6 students in a competitive exam in different languages in Motakatla. Okay, Motakatla Government School. Using the information from the graph, write a meaningful, this is not okay, table graph. By using the table, write a meaningful and well organized paragraph. First, see the information, whatever in this table. is there whatever the information is mentioned, you have to use this all information and you have to write paragraph. Name, names of the students given. Subjects are Telugu, English, Hindi. These three subjects are given. So write a paragraph by using this information. The students of Motakatla Government High School have shown a strong performance in Telugu, English, and Hindi. Manoj scored 85 in Telugu, 78 in English, and an impressive 90 in Hindi. Joshit secured 80 in Telugu, 70 in English, and 85 in Hindi. Deepika performed consistently with 79 in Telugu, 71 in English, and 88 in Hindi. Teja scored 83 in Telugu, 65 in English, and 81 in Hindi. Venkat performed well with 77 in Telugu, a high 86 in English, and 84 in Hindi. Madiha achieved 81 in Telugu and an excellent 90 in English and 79 in Hindi. Overall, the students have displayed balanced academic abilities across the three languages. Analysis. From the data, Telugu marks remain steady for most students, while English shows more variation with scores ranging from 65 to 90. Hindi performance is generally strong, with several students scoring above 80. Madiha has the highest English score and Manoj leads in Hindi. Now we completed pie chart table. Now we are going to see third question. Study the following flowchart carefully. Write a meaningful paragraph based on the information in it. See this time management flowchart once. I'll zoom this. Time management. How can I manage my time effectively? Set clear goals. Prioritize tasks. Avoid distractions. Create schedule. Track your progress. The flow chart on the flow chart on time management explains a simple and effective process that helps students manage their time wisely. It begins with the central question: how can I manage my time effectively? To answer this, chart suggests starting by setting clear goals as having specific targets gives direction and purpose. Once the goals are set, the next step is to prioritize tasks so that the most important work is completed first. At the same time, students are advised to avoid distractions, which often waste valuable time and reduce productivity. After prioritizing, creating a proper schedule helps in organizing daily activities and maintaining balance. Balance among students. sorry, balance among studies, rest, and other tasks. Finally, tracking progress allows students to check whether they are following their plan and achieving their goals. By following these steps, student can improve focus, reduce stress, and become more disciplined and successful in their academic life. Last information transfer is study the following bar chart carefully. Write a meaningful paragraph based on the information in it. So, types of activities at home. Types of activities. You can see here. Bar graph titled Activities at Home shows how many children engage in different activities such as reading, playing, baking, and washing hands. Reading, playing, baking, washing hands. You can see in this graph. According to the data, 8 children spend their time reading, while is the most popular activity with 18 children participating in it. Baking is done by 10 children, showing a moderate level of interest. Washing hands, which is an important hygiene practice, is followed by 14 children. The graph highlights that children enjoy playful activities the most, while still taking part in useful and healthy habits at home. Analysis. From the data, playing is the highest preferred activity, showing that children are energetic and enjoy leisure time. Washing hands ranks second, which indicates good awareness of cleanliness. Baking comes next, suggesting creativity and interest in cooking. Reading has the lowest participation, showing that fewer children choose academic activities during their free time. So we completed four information transfers, means four types we have seen. So now see question number 37B, information transfer. You can see this graphs and you can write it on your own. Okay. Tree diagram. This is table graph. By using the pie chart, you can write a meaningful paragraph. And then bar bar chart they given. By using this also, you can write a paragraph. By using the information given in the table, you can write the paragraph. Sixth question is this is tree diagram. Seventh pie chart. Eighth bar graph. Ninth this is pie chart. Okay, 1 to 9 questions. Okay, thank you for watching.